Overnight battery drain on iPhone is usually caused by background activity, settings, or aging battery health. Here's a clear step-by-step checklist to diagnose and fix it. Check battery uses. Go to Settings. Next, tap on Battery. See which apps used the most battery overnight. If an app shows unusual activity, force close or reinstall it. Disable background app refresh. For that, open up Settings. Then tap on General. Tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh. If it's turned on, turn it off. This stops apps from running when you are not using them. Disable location services. Go to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services and turn it off. Check battery health. Open the Settings app. Next, tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. If battery health below 80%, the battery may drain quickly. Consider replacement. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. In this way, you can easily reduce overnight battery drain on your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.